Good morning. It is Vlogmas day 2. So today is December 2nd. I did not vlog yesterday just because I had to work, and then I got home and I was really tired, and all I did really was just cook and eat and go to sleep because your girl had a long week. This week was full of car problems and just a whole bunch of just craziness. So now that that's all out the way, today we've got a lot of stuff ahead of us. Today I'm literally cleaning up my room. I want to show y'all, but I don't need no judgment because it's a whole hot mess. I'm literally going through like all my clothes and all my shoes just to see what I want and what I don't want, just because your girl trying to make new room for new stuff for the new year. You feel me? So as of right now, I'm just in here cleaning up and just straightening up some stuff. Again, my room is a hot mess. Like, y'all canceled if you saw it, okay? So right now I'm just going through like my closet and going through dressers, drawers, and just cleaning out everything. So today, once I get all this stuff, I'm gonna try to actually like donate it or just like give it away and stuff, just because I don't need this clutter. Some of this stuff that I do have in my room can actually go outside to my storage patio, so that's what we're getting into. On top of that, I have a work Christmas party on December 8th, and I'm really looking forward to that. So far I have ordered my dress on Fashion Nova. This is the dress that I ordered, and all I need left to do is just give me some shoes and some accessories. I am bringing my boyfriend this time. He didn't come last year, but this year it is a red carpet theme, like red carpet Hollywood theme. So we trying to get glammed up, okay, to the T. So I think I just need to find him some shoes because he pretty much already has an outfit. It's a very formal event, as you can tell. I mean, it is red carpet. But after all of that, I do think I'm gonna go to my mom's house because she's got her work Christmas party tonight, and she just got a new unit. Excuse me, because I, been up all morning cleaning and stuff, so I look a mess. But she got her new unit in the mail, so she wants me to help her kind of like install it, which won't honestly take that time because it's a real short kind of pixie cut kind of wig. But once we get into that, that's pretty much it. Whatever happens throughout the day is just whatever happens throughout the day. So I know that once I'm in here done cleaning up and stuff, I want to go to DSW to get Babe some shoes, because I did see some nice dress boots that he liked in there. And then I'm gonna try to find me some shoes. I am looking for white right now. Open toe is kind of hard to find just because it's winter. So we about to see what we can find, because I ain't got all day. I mean, technically I do have all day, but I'm not trying to take all day. I just put it that way. And if I have to go tomorrow to go look at some other places too, then I definitely will. Anyways, I'm gonna finish cleaning up and I will see y'all in a minute. All right, video update. I am in the car. Me and Babe are about to go. There he goes now to the stores, and we'll see y'all when we get there.
What's the penetration? Money conversation. I can never copy niggas really hate. Check me. Most, even though I'm known from coast to coast, internationally known if I keep going. Sports play a common place for the low six, low so.
Just dropped off one bin of some clothes to Plato's just to see what I can get off. And they did say it would be about like an hour and a half. So I'm about to go down the street to DSW so we can find some shoes and whatever else. I'm getting hungry. You hungry, babe? Yeah? Okay. So we finna go get something to eat too, because your girl is starving. So I don't know. We finna figure out what we finna eat and I'll be back. So I brought my vlog camera with me. I have never used it. I did get it as a birthday gift. So I'm gonna see how that works today. So if the quality on my camera for some clips seems like kind of bad, then that's why. Just letting y'all know in advance, because I really don't know how this quality is really gonna look. Like, I tested it out a little bit, but not outside, just like on myself inside. So It might be better outside with lighting. From what I saw, like, it was okay. But again, I think I'm just gonna do it for like little stuff, like if I'm showing my surroundings and like everything that I'm doing. I think I might go that route. But we're at the gas station. I didn't realize I was finna go on E. Like, we ain't doing that. My light didn't even come on. I guess I wasn't that low, but it was getting there. So babe is pumping the gas for me. And after this, I'm not driving no more because I'm really trying to, I like to drive my own car, obviously. But babe's car is cool and all, but I like my car better. So that's why we driving my car. But I think I might have him take the wheel because I really don't want to drive. I just want to chill today. So we all gassed up, 30 in the tank. Okay, should be on full. On full. That girl is filled up. I'm gonna have the shrimp quesadilla. Yeah. And also 2. You want a fountain drink? No? You don't want nothing to drink? We're gonna eat it here. You want it to go or for here? Yeah. Okay. So you don't want nothing to drink? Okay. Well, I'm gonna get a a fountain drink. No. That's everything. Okay. I get back from using the bathroom and he didn't devour his plate. I haven't even gotten mine yet. Just waiting. Still waiting. Just got mine. So good. My order with Plato's Closet is ready. So as soon as I'm done eating, I'm gonna go pick up the clothes. Hello, how are you? Good, and yourself? Good. Good. I like your hair color. Thank you.
Is it Zaria or Zaria?
Zaria.
Zaria. Oh
Yes.
I love the name.
Thank you.
Alright, Zaria, it seems like we'd like the 4 items in this bin for a total of $26.36. The reason that I'll just pass on just some wear and some styles we don't sell as well with us in this location. Would you like to accept the offer?
Yes. All right, not as much as I was hoping for, but I did just get my money back from eating lunch with babe today, so I'm not really like tripping about that. Now we're about to go to DSW, and then babe keeps complaining that his phone's about to die, and he's always tripping on me not having my phone charged, and now his is dying. So we're gonna go do that, and then probably go to the house and go to mom's house. They got a sale. That's what I like to see. Clarence. Thank you, babe. Okay, we're gonna start here. See if we see any dress boots. Nothing in the clearance section. We're about to go over here to the regular section. They do already have a sale going on. I just wanted to see what else we could find. But let's see what else they have. We found these dress boots. They're 60 bucks. And then I think they still have like a discount if you spend 60 or more. So he's gonna try these on. Maybe you should take those thick socks off. You want to put on a footsie?
No, I guess I can come down a size.
You can go down a size? Okay, I'll grab you an 11. There you go.
Yeah, that's perfect.
It's perfect. Awesome. No white shoes for me in both just the regular section and the clearance section. I told y'all white was hard to find, so we're about to just get Babe's shoes and check out, and I'm gonna go check another store because this is ridiculous. Okay, y'all, so I've been back home. It's actually like 5:48. I know we got back home probably like around 1. I wound up not going to my mom's house because she had a wardrobe malfunction basically and wound up not going to her work Christmas party. So there was no need for me to go over tonight. Her and Babe kind of like talked, and he told her that he wanted us to come over tomorrow morning. So we're actually gonna go to mom's house in the morning. So as of now, I'm just chilling in the house. I did just get my package in the mail, so that's what I wanted to show y'all. I got me some Uggs. I ordered me some Uggs on Black Friday, or no, sorry, for Cyber Monday, and I just got them in the mail today. So we're gonna open these because I have been needing me like a black pair of Uggs, and I haven't had a black pair of Uggs in probably like 2 years. I have a brown pair and I have a pink pair, but I need a black boot. It's cold and I need something, so I'm gonna set y'all up so we can open these shoes because I'm really excited. This was kind of a different bow collection that they have. All right, we finna see. I'm finna set y'all up. Hold on. Okay, got this set up and I'm about to open this box. This is definitely gonna be a thumbnail. All right, cool. So I originally wanted to order the really tall Bailey boots from UGG, the black ones that have like the 3 bows, the tall ones. But when I saw these and I saw that they were on sale, I was like, I could low-key get 2 pairs for the price of 1. Those are $240. I got these on sale for $118. Big difference. And they're still cute. They're not tall at all, but I might as well just add it to my short boot collection. Like, I already have this pair where I can kind of like bend it down in the back or just like lift them up. I've had these for 2 winters. This is 2 winters. And then these are a part of my newest collection. And I actually found these at Ross, believe it or not. So no, it didn't come with the box or anything, but I found these at Ross for $50. So I couldn't pass it up. My color isn't necessarily pink, honestly, but I was like, for $50, I'm gonna find something to wear with these. It's gonna be my favorite color today. Now we got these new pairs. I'm taking forever to open this box, I know. Okay, I'm a little out of breath. I had to run down to my car to get my extra camera because I wanted y'all to see another view. And again, this is just me testing out this camera, y'all, because I just gotta see, you know. So one thing I see here is that, for one, it's already got like a little piece of something, a little speck here on the boot. Sorry, it's blurry from the other POV, but, and it's another little piece of dust. Come on now, who been wearing my boots outside? Oh, it looked like little wood chips, probably from this piece of cardboard. So disregard everything I just said. I just realized what was behind it. And let me rip off this little piece of paper. And this is the back. You can see the you can see the bow. It's so cute. And then everything, of course, at the bottom. I'm gonna take a lint roller to these. and the left boot. Really cute. I could have worn this with my outfit today, but it's okay. Literally did not come until after we left for the day. But I'm so happy I got these because real sheep fur, y'all. Real sheep fur. Like, it's soft. Like, I know some people be like, they're just basic boots and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, they're basic, but for one, it has very high quality. Like, don't get me wrong, I love me a good dupe, and if for the girlies that love to shop on the gate, like, I'm here for it. Definitely get you some little $40 boots and everything, but my only thing is, you're not getting the same quality. Those boots might last you just as long as some boots that you get from Walmart, just depending on how you take care of them, of course. The fur may not be real sheep fur. So let's go ahead and put these on. Put the other shoe on. I love them. I love these. Let's get into the fit though. I didn't even give y'all no OOTD. Like, what? I'm tripping. Excuse my dusty mirror. It just need to be wiped down a little bit. But let's get into it head to toe. Head to toe. Okay? Body yaddy. I got this little cat suit. It does zip in the front, not the back. I have a brown one that zips in the back, and it's annoying because, like, how they expect you to use the bathroom easy? I guess it's not meant to be. I got this bodysuit off of Amazon. If you guys want to see where I got it, I will definitely go ahead and put the link in the description box. And that concludes day 2. All I'm about to do is probably cook or just warm up my leftovers, watch some TV with Bae, continue sipping this fine wine, and chill out. So I will see y'all on day 3. Peace out.